Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best all-in-one battery monitoring app for any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for One Battery. And firstly you'll see the application, just tap on it. As I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So firstly download and install it. After that just tap on open. On opening you will see this kind of user interface. So now you can see here the live charging watt. As you can see here, it's monitoring, and below you can see the battery level, and now you can see the status charging. You can enable the always on display also while you are charging, and below you can see the battery drain. So you can see the battery remaining charging rate. So you can see voltage, now you can see current, even the temperature, battery level, charging status, plugged, health status. You can see good, manufacturer and model. So these are the informations you will gonna get inside this details option. And next option is a look and feel. So under the look and feel you can select the always on display layouts. So you can see here tons of options, so you can check out by yourself. And next option is the settings. So under the settings also you will get a home screen widgets which you can add directly on your home screen. And there is a theme, alert store, tons more options, so you can check this too. And next to it is our history. So under the history you can see last 24 hours, or you can check the 10-day records also depending upon your needs. And below you can see the screen time. So you can see screen on time, screen off time, and you can see the sessions when you have plug in and plug out. So you can see the different timings. And next to it is app uses. So here you can see which app has used the maximum battery. So in my case you can see different applications which has used the maximum battery. So these are all the features you will gonna get inside this battery monitoring app. So in my opinion, it's one of the best all-in-one battery monitoring app for any Android smartphone and tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.